Holy History 17 Malachi and respect for the woman of his youth. The book of the prophet Malachi and respect for the woman of his youth. Often one wonders when monogamy and respect for women have been instituted. It must be through Jesus, we say, and Jesus alone. Well, not at all. God has refined his people. From Moses, through the judges where the woman is treated like cattle, truly. It is delivered to rape rather than seeing the hospitality flouted. And King Solomon, he has 1,000 women. So the woman is like an object of glory. To arrive at the book of Malachi where monogamy and the prohibition of repudiation are instituted. That's what happens. At one point in his text, Malachi says this in chapter 2, verse 14, "You Jew, who goes to the temple of Jerusalem and you offer an offering to get something and you are astonished because you do not get it. I'll tell you why you do not get it. What do you do with the young woman of your youth? The one to whom you had made your oaths of fidelity. You have repudiated it. I hate repudiation," said God. "And the woman of your youth, do not betray her. Did not God make man and woman to unite and to make one flesh? So, respect for your life and the woman of your youth, do not betray her. I hate repudiation," says God, "I hate her." It is important to realize, especially when listening to the videos that precede and tell the story of the woman at some point in the Bible, how much progress there is. This people, refined by suffering, he even came to understand that he must behave with his wives, as in an alliance. I would say even more. If we look through the Bible, the story of the relationship of man to woman, well, we have the story of man's relationship with God and the holy story of the purification that God made of his people until the coming of Jesus Christ.